Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to St. Peter's, a delightful and historic community located on Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia. As you drive through this charming area, you'll be greeted by a blend of natural beauty and rich history that makes St. Peter's a truly special place to visit. St. Peter's is situated on a narrow isthmus that connects the southern part of Cape Breton Island with the rest of the island. This unique geographical feature has played a significant role in the area's history, as it provided a strategic location for transportation and trade. The community of St. Peter's has a fascinating history that dates back to the early days of European settlement. It was originally a Mi'kmaq settlement, and the area's indigenous heritage is still celebrated today. The French were the first Europeans to establish a presence here, and they named the settlement St. Pierre in the early 18th century. The natural beauty of St. Peter's is a highlight of the area. The Bras d'Or Lake, one of the largest saltwater lakes in the world, provides stunning views and a variety of outdoor activities for visitors to enjoy. Whether you're interested in boating, fishing, or simply taking a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, the lake offers a serene and picturesque setting. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, St. Peter's offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the rich tapestry of life on Cape Breton Island. watching.